Alright, so this is the Gazelle G6 Deluxe, and it is our first time to take it down after camping. So, absolutely phenomenal. We used it in the mornings, 30-degree weather, put a little heater in there, and it was very warm. So,
recommend the side panels if you're going in the cold at all.
Yeah, the side panels on the G6 Deluxe are attached, so that's pretty nice. So, I guess I'm going to start on the inside. I'm going to pull the top down, and then I'm going to try to come outside and push in the wall. So we'll see how this goes. It
would be easier with two people, but we're going to see if he can do it by himself, because he set it up by himself, which we have a video of that also.
Alright, so here's the roof down, and then we're just going to start pushing these walls in.
So I'm sure you've seen our other videos. We have the tent also, which is what talked us into this Gazelle Gazebo, because we like the fact that there's no poles really to deal with. Although we forgot there are poles on the inside of the front door on this that he'll have to take out. There's only 3 poles in this, and it's holding up the front door on this. But in the tent, the T8 is what we have, and we like the fact that we got here late. We just popped it right up without any poles at all to worry about. And we like this gazebo because the same thing is true. Easy up, easy down.
Yeah, real nice and easy.
Probably would have been easier, we didn't think about it, undoing these poles beforehand around the front door.
Would have definitely been easier.
But that's okay. We'll learn for next time. So there's one on each side of the door and one across the top.
Yeah.
So maybe we'll do a video of our next camping trip doing it the easiest way. But still, the point is, this is pretty easy and we've never done it before. So there's only 3 poles. One on each side and one across the top.
I'm going to go in there to undo these poles. Hang tight.
You mean hold it up for you?
No.
So right here would be one of the poles. Again, way easier if we had taken these out before we got started. And you can see our video of where he put them in. But we didn't think about it. Again, first time. It always gets faster and easier.
What's really nice about Gazelles, I'm assuming this is true for all of their tents and gazebos, is their bags are oversized bags. So unlike traditional tents that are really impossible to get back in the bag that they came in, these are really simple, and it's nice to have that. So it comes with 2 straps. One's a tie strap, one's a Velcro strap.
And again, this will be easier next time, and it would be easier with 2 people, but we're trying to show you guys it can easily be done. So while he's strapping that, I'm sure you have seen, but here's what the T8 tent looks like. We're going to be taking this down next. And pretty easy again set up. The walls are the same idea. You can pop them in and out. We've actually already got the inside packed up. But this is what the they make a T4 and a T8, and this fits the 4 of us pretty comfortably with cots and mats. And again, pretty easy up and down. And we have done that more than once, so we got it figured out a little bit easier.
Alright, so we got it all strapped. Now we're going to get it in the bag. So, all right. Put our poles in our pole bag.
And there were some other poles in that bag, I'm sure you just realized. And we did not set up our front door. It could be made into an awning. We did not set that up. But there was a couple of poles to be used for that. And they've got nice...
yeah, it comes with all-terrain stakes, which is really nice. It comes with that. So, like I said, they're all pretty easy. The nice thing about this bag, I don't know if the G6 Gazebo has this or not, but on the...
Just the regular?
Yeah, there's the G6 and there's the G6 Deluxe. And then...
the difference is the G6 doesn't have the built-in side panels, right? You have to buy them separately.
It doesn't have the windows.
Doesn't have the windows.
It doesn't have the awning. So, two differences. Now the G6 is much cheaper than the G6 Deluxe, but it just kind of depends on, you know, what amenities you want. If you just want a screened-in porch, the G6 is probably the way to go. Or screened-in gazebo. The G6 is the way to go. I think it was, I don't want to lie, but I think it's like $279, whereas this is like $399 on Gazelle's website.
And this is expensive and kind of a luxury for sure, but I'll tell you, it made this camping trip a lot more bearable. We're going to camp more probably in the warmer months, but here in Tennessee it's cool right now also. Okay, buddy. And it made it nice because it was really cool, and we didn't have a fire or anything going to sit around with young kids, so we just came in the gazebo and hung out. We're thinking it's going to be well worth the money over time. And we just have this big RV pad that we had before that we used to put underneath, and the kids got down and played. And again, expensive, but should last for a really long time. Comes with a warranty and pretty easy to do.
And that's pretty much all there is to it. She's loaded up, ready to get thrown in the truck.
I will say lengthwise, this is longer than the bed of a standard pickup truck, right?
So I have a Tundra Crew Max, so it's a 5.5 foot bed, and it is longer than that. So
we had to put it diagonally.
Diagonal. It won't go width or lengthwise in the bed truck, so it goes diagonal in it. We're going to get a camper shell, and so it won't be an issue once we get a camper shell, because we can pack more stuff up, but we do have to work our way around this specifically. So that's it. Until next time, y'all have a great camping adventure.
Yeah? What do you think about camping?
Good.
Were you comfortable last night?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Do you like your tent?
Yeah, I was sleeping really good. Mommy woke me up. I still was sleeping.
I woke you up when you were still sleeping? You think so?
Yeah.
And then, did you like your gazebo that you got to play in this morning? What's your favorite part about camping? Tell us.
Sleeping.
Sleeping in the tent? Yeah?
In the tent.
Are you having fun with Sissy?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Sissy's right down there.
Sissy's down there playing. Say happy camping. Can you tell them happy camping?
No.
No. Sissy, what do you think about camping?
That's good.
Did you sleep well last night?
No.
No, why not? Was your mat comfortable?
People woke me up.
Oh, it was a little loud last night, wasn't it, around us? Yeah. Do you enjoy playing in the gazebo?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Can you tell everybody happy camping?
Happy camping.